we have a trade calculator that you have access to online. So as an InvestView member, you can come in, and we have it in a couple of different formats depending on what version of Excel you're running on your machine. It runs through Microsoft Excel. After you download the calculator, which again is in our bonus material, we have a lot of bonus material online that you get access to as a member. You download the calculator. First, you put in your account size. From there, it now knows how to calculate the rest. So any trade you take, you just fill it out. Let's say I'm going to trade ABC stock. So I'm going to buy ABC, and I'm going to go long ABC stock. So I'm going to put in long here, and I'm going to buy it on today, February 29th. And the reason I'm buying is because of a breakout or whatever. And the time frame on the trade, I think this is a swing trade. I'll be in it for a few days. My entry price, $40 per share. My stop price, 38. My target, 45. My lot size, let's see what 100 shares would do for me. So I punch in this information. Now your lot size you're going to tweak, because you're going to put in, you might guess at 100, but it's now going to fill out all of the rest of this information for you. It's going to tell you exactly what your reward to risk is and how much money you have invested, which in this case, if you bought 100 shares at 40, you'd have 4,000 invested. And then it would tell you, based on your 10,000 account size, that's 40% of your account. So this number would change to 40%. It would tell you that your potential gain, 100 shares at 5, so it'd tell you your potential gain is $500, and it'd tell you your risk is $200, and it would tell you that your, let me go back one screen. It would tell you that your risk was 200 and your reward was 500, so it would tell you that your reward to risk was 2.5 to 1 is what this reward to risk would show. So in other words, it's going to fill all of that out. All of that information, you're going to look at it and you're going to say, you know what, 40% of my account in one trade is too high. So you're going to nudge this lot size and you're going to change it to 50 shares, or whatever. And now it's going to say, okay, now you have 2,000 invested instead of 4,000. Your reward to risk is the same, but now you only have, 20% of your account invested. That's good. Your potential gain, you can't make $500, so you can still make $250. You're not risking $200 now. You're only risking, $100. So you cut your reward down, but you cut your risk down by cutting down your position size. When it's time to get out, you put the exit date, you put the reason. This is like a journal. It helps you to keep track of your thoughts, what you were thinking. Your exit price, once you put in the exit price, then it calculates all the rest of this. It tells you, here's what you made or lost. Here's the percent that was a gain or loss. It puts it in the win or loss column, tells you how many calendar days you're in the trade, and then you can put any corrective actions. If you made a mistake or you want to remember things that you did really well, you can put those in there. Look at how cool this is. Now you have a tracking tool that literally is tracking your success rate based on wins and losses, that's tracking your profit and loss in gains, in dollar amounts, and in percentages. Now you can start to really run some statistics. You can say, well, what strategies am I doing well? Which ones am I doing poorly? By keeping track of the details, you will become a better trader. Plain and simple. If you don't keep track of anything, then you're not even going to know where your gains and your losses are coming from. You're not going to know corrective actions because you're not even paying attention to what you're doing. Very, very important that you get in there, you download the trade calculator, and you start to utilize it. As you do that, you will become a better trader. What's next? Bullish trading strategies. We get into breakouts and continuation patterns and pullbacks. Very, very good information. You're going to enjoy it. Very important as you learn to trade, that you learn to trade the right way. So I hope you're enjoying this program. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.